You ever have this problem? Common problem with the Fords. I think this is an Explorer wagon, or maybe like this, where the door handle is broken, huh? Or maybe even like this, where it's like you can't even open up the door. Let me tell you what you're gonna do. I'm gonna take you around here. So you're gonna need a drill bit, a hammer, this. You're gonna need some of these. You're gonna need this. You're gonna need this. You're gonna need this. And you're gonna need this. So these are the things you're gonna need. Oh, and this. Okay. I'm gonna show you how I do this. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna want to punch these little things out here. So I'm gonna do it and then I'm gonna show you. Hold on. See I punched them holes out there? And then you're gonna take a drill bit. Drill it. Need a little smaller one, hold on. Oh, battery died. So after you drill it through, you're gonna come to this side and you're gonna take off these two screws here and these two screws here, and you're gonna remove the door panel. After you get those screws out, you gotta take this molding off right here. I'm trying to be gentle because I only have one arm right now that I'm using. I'm holding this phone. So you take that off. That's going to give you access to move the panel. Take the panel off. And peel this back here. So you're going to want to take this off so you can get this arm out your way. Okay. And then you're going to take this off here, which is the guide for the window, and you'll be able to clearly access everything in here. So let me do that. Now, after you take the two screws out of here, it holds this on, and then this mechanism here, you just kind of take it off. It just kind of comes off of here like so. Set that down. I tried to remove this here bolt. It's different on the rear door than it is on the front. But what you're gonna do is in there, see if you can see it. In there, let me get a light. So in there, see that yellow thing in there? So that's what you're gonna clip it. You're gonna take it off. See that? You gotta come over here. It's hard to do, get your hand, but you're gonna flip that tab back until open it up. And let me do it and then I'm gonna show you. Hold on. You see how I got it open there? See that? Let me get this thing to zoom right. See how I got that? Flip that tab up there like that. And then that way you can pop this out. Once you get that out, then you're free now to access all of that up there where the handle is. This is where the handle is broken at here. And pull it out. So once you pull this out of the hole, you get the replacement. I'm gonna show you how to do this, right? It's pretty easy, but you gotta get your hand in this tight spot. So here's the new replacement handle right here. You're gonna take these here. So you take the replacement handle. You take this out here. And you hook it back in there. And since this is how it sits, you hook that right in there. Like that. Hook that right in there. Like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna stick this inside the hole like so, because in here got a couple tabs here and a couple tabs right there. Just gonna hook in. So you hook that in. And fit it in there. Okay. Now you got that in there. We got the rod hanging down there. It's gonna fit in there. And then you take these. Take this here, this one, and another one, and this screw here. Let's see if I so take this and put that in the hole there. Put that in the hole there like so. You take your back. So you take your magnet and you fish it right in that hole. Grab the back of that screw and you screw on the other side with your hand. So yeah, you gotta figure out how to get your hand in there. I just kind of stuck mine in like this. And held them, spent them on the other side, and I got it done.